Alrighty guys, I'm going to show you guys a day trading strategy that works consistently. I'm going to do a recap for today on how I traded the markets. The markets were very clean today with this strategy. This works so well on indexes. And if you guys are into future prop firm accounts, I do have a discount code. I am partnered with My Funded Futures. You can see right in here. You can use the code RTK and you'll get a discount on all the plans. So I am advertising them. This is Top Step 2, so I do have both. I'm just going to use this right now to show you. But they're all the same thing. You can use TradingView for all of it. But this video more is to discuss the strategy that I use. I really think this strategy can change lots and lots of lives. And as long as you're disciplined, you're patient, you will make lots of money and you can pass your challenges. So I'm looking at this one right here. We made quite a good bit of money. I'm looking to pass this one here. I have a couple accounts already, but we made $700 today. It's nothing to really like substantially brag about. But for a 50K account, and if you have 5 accounts doing this, that is big money doing that. That's $3,500 a day you can make. But it's not really about that. But it's the way the strategy works, right? And how you can consistently make those big profits. So the main strategy is the 1 minute strategy. When you see price go away from this EMA 20, so let's start at the very beginning of the bell. Usually I only trade 9:30 to 4 because that's where I notice where price has been the best and it's been reacting well to my system. More volume, the better the strategy for this because we want lots of volatility. So the 3 bands in the middle are your EMAs. I use the EMA 5, 10, and 20. The 5 is the purple, the 10 is the yellow, and that 20 is that blue band here. We know price will go back to that, especially when you're looking at a 1 minute time frame. That is not a big time frame. You know, the 1 minute is going to always go hit that very fast, as you can see, all throughout price action when we don't touch that blue band. But we want to make sure we use these lower bands for big overreaction moves. And I can set up this chart for you, but I use a Keltner channel in the bottom, and I alert these plays. I in the Discord. I go live doing these exact plays. So if you just ever want to just like chill out and just kind of see these being played, but what I'll do is I would look for an overreaction move, and I don't just take any move that hits this lower band. You know, we all be millionaires if it was that simple. Oh, it hits this band, and then no. There's more to that goes to it. So for example, looking at NQ, this is a trade when you would wait 15 minutes. You have to wait 15 minutes of not touching this EMA 20. You know, so if you look at this here, you can all clearly see we are touching the EMA 20 at 9:52. So 9:52 all the way to this candle is 10:03. So that is 8 minutes, and then 9, 10, 11. I took this one because it was pretty close enough. But as you can see, 12, 13, 14, all of these candles right here qualified for a big, massive move. When I see a candle just like penetrate all throughout here, I tend to take this, and then where do I look for targets? I can do EMA 5 and 10, and then longer term is the 20. Because I didn't necessarily have to have that 20 get hit, but that 5 and the 10 made me massive money. All right, so let's go over the next scenario. As you can see, price just went repeatedly up right in here, and it just kept slowing through. No big overreaction move to the upper band, so all out through here was no trade. I do have another strategy that uses lower time frames that did capitalize on some of these moves, but this video is just for the 1 minute day trading strategy because you're going to get the most success. As you can see right in here, we have massive time distance. This is definitely more than 15 minutes, so we meet the criteria. If we hit the bands, we'll get in. So as you can see right in here, you touch the bands clearly here. You accumulate all up in, I do one ad. So really how I'm doing it is I do minis. So I'll do one contract, and I'll have a stop loss of $200. I know it's very tight, and if it gets hit, so for example, let's say I didn't get hit here. Let's say, you take it here, your stop loss is over here. Let's say it gets hit again. I'll just get a better entry if it keeps kind of hugging this band. So what happens is you'll get stopped out probably, if it hits that $200. And then let's just say it keeps going up and up. Sometimes it can do that. It will hit this band. It will do something like this candle here and then do another one. But it definitely will revert to the mean very fast. And then you just get another entry. But as you can see, look at this big price reaction coming down to the 5 and the 10. That's the swift kind of violent move we want to see. And then it was just absolutely beautiful. So these kind of setups made me $700. This one I did take. What just happened here? Yeah, I did take this one. I don't know what just happened to the bands, but looks like I might have to put them in again. I don't know what just happened there. Um, but yeah, I'll show it on Webull too. It's the same thing. So we're looking at QQQ. So I did take that other trade here. I'll fix that later. But they're all the same thing. And this is why I do options too, because it follows the same pattern. Options, futures are all the same. So right in here, I did take this trade too. As you can see, look at this beautiful lower band touch, and it was just a massive gain. You just had to be looking at this. It was very fast, and it just went up totally. But you can see how price is always moving into the 5, the 10, and the 20. It's always doing it. It will do it, and it just consistently does it. And you can see the consistency of that. So this was the same thing. Options, the stock reacts a little different, but they're all the same. So what I do in my channel is I do options and I do futures. And then we trade just the indexes. So SPY is going to react really well too. And then as you can see right here, look at this beautiful candle here touching it. But the QQQs had time distance. That's why I didn't trade SPY. So if you guys want to learn more about this and understand it, definitely look into it. I'm here for you guys. If you want to join the Discord and get notified on how to trade futures, do options, they're all the same thing, but a day trading strategy that works with over 90% success rate. Usually using my index strategy, I actually have over like 30 trades in a row when from just indexes. Stocks are a little trickier. I will have to say I did lose on a Nvidia put. I don't, there's no perfect strategy that wins, but I did 3 QQQ option plays. I did 2 calls on them, and then I did the QQQ put that I showed you, and all 3 won. And then I did a Nvidia put, and I did lost one. So you might say, well, what is your stop loss for options? It's 20% stop loss after the second ad. I do 2 ads for that. So they're a little different, but if you do want to watch me live, I do my live streams. You can kind of see how this goes in real time. I know it can be scary, but it doesn't have to be scary. I think this is very, very simple in what's happening here. We're basically looking for a reversion of the mean. Where is price looking to go back to? We know if price is overextended, we know that it has to hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. Well, if there's not much time distance, the 20 most likely will not get hit right away. So you would look for the 5 and the 10. This move right here to the 5 alone is all you really needed for SPY. And you can see the big moves that you get here. Look at this. Beautiful overreaction here. SPY went tumbling down here, hit the ATR4. We had a nice move up here, and then it went tumbling down again. And you can see how the consistent gains here. I know this sounds crazy, but this was a 20% gain that I made. And then this move right here was another 20% that I scaled it out of the EMA 5, coming right down in there for options. So, yes. So if you guys want to do futures, I definitely recommend the prop firm that I showed you. It's going to be the My Funded Futures. It's the cheapest. It has no activation fee. You can use whatever you want is comfortable. But, in this channel, I'm here to show you guys a strategy that works. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and you can join the Discord. It'll say, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Read to how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you have to do it on the computer or your phone's browser. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your accounts. I'll never DM you, message you, or friend request you. You can read the testimonies of how a lot of people are making massive money doing this strategy. So if you hit the server shop in the top left, you can see the day and swing trading plus is only $12 a month, and you're going to get vast amount of knowledge and education that will last you for a lifetime. The purpose of this Discord is to teach you guys how to fish. That way, when I'm trading, and you're looking at my alerts, and then you're looking at the charts, you're going to feel confident because you're going to understand why price has to do things the way they do. The purpose of this Discord is not just to give out alerts and you guys just blindly follow. I want you guys to know, why would I take SPY calls on this candle here to make nice gains, and on big time on this candle? Why is it a good opportunity to take SPY calls? Because we haven't hit this EMA 20 in over 15 minutes, and usually what happens is we have a nice target to that 20. I don't have to have that big target. It's just nice to know that it can go all the way up there. And then the 5 to the 10 is where I'm going to take the targets, depending on how fast it goes up. This move was a very good fast move, and I took that. And you can see, like, as price just kept going rapidly up, and then we had that inversion right here for put side. So it's very nice. Very, occasionally you'll get these nice big moves. These are called what I call usually a lotto play. If it just really quickly hits it, I usually will take it, but I'm small smaller size, but that's a whole new different education section. So I hope to see you guys to join. If you do it on your phone, it will charge you a little more, so do try to do it on your computer because you'll avoid the iOS fee. You're going to get all the education. Watch all these day trading education videos, how to pass your top step, how to pass, any prop firm challenges, how to do the 1 minute day trading to make consistent returns, option course that goes over if you're new about options, how to draw trend channels. And then the 5 in the 1 minute day trading strategy is the best setup you'll ever see. So there's different kind of setups and probabilities of winning. I also have swing trade alerts. You're going to want to watch swing trading education. This channel, this video right here will get all your indicators set up with a more deep knowledge of how the time distance works. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a day trading strategy that I think is insane, that I think not a lot of people know about. I think a lot of people need to. It's one of those unique strategies that I have found just over time of what I've used, because I'm a trend reversal player. I want to make big reversal candles. I want to see big reversal candles, and I don't want to be in the market that long when I'm day trading. So I want to be in and out. Sometimes I'm out of the trade in literally 30 seconds, if it just goes immediately to my right. Like this trade right here just immediately went my way. In 3 minutes of holding this trade, you would have made massive money. And then, look at this candle right here. We quickly hit it. In a blink of an eye, you would have made money. So, yeah, that's the kind of trading I like, and it's just enough time where you have like a couple minutes, you're like, okay, put my order in, put it out, I make 10 to 20% consistent returns on options, and futures, I'm trying to make, if I'm trying to risk $200, I'm trying to make around that target, 200. So I hope you guys like this video. This is a very nice strategy. And like I said, I am going to be there for you guys. I have live streams right here. If you have any questions, come on in the live stream. I will show you guys what I'm looking for, show you guys exactly what to do, show you guys the setups. And the big thing about a community is we're taking these trades together, so more confidence, more people, reacting to it, and you won't be taking a setup that's not good, because we have a whole community keeping each other accountable. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Let's make some money, pass some prop firm accounts. I think you all can do it, and let's be financially stable, guys. And I hope you guys like this video. Share it to your friends that are struggling day trading. This is by far, the best day trading strategy I've done, and I've done tons of day trading strategies. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.